Okay, so I finally figure out how to repair my electric fan at home. Okay, so this is the old motor of my electric fan. So this is an AC motor. It means alternating current. Okay, so it has this style, a bushing type. And then here comes the new type of motors. So these are DC type motors. So as you can see, this DC specifically brushless without the carbon fiber. So the same motor that is used for the drones. So this is just a small an improvement. So AC motors has its own place of application. But for now, if you want to save some electricity, then the DC motor is the good option for conversion for broken electric fans. So, um, but you need a adapter. So here is an adapter, a power adapter that is AC to DC. So I'm now supplying my electric fan with a DC power. Okay, so it has DC. So one of the advantage of the DC motors are it's highly efficient and it's silent and the speed is variable, okay, compared to this bushing type motor in which sometimes it overheats. So it has a capacitor. So it still has capacitor, and one of the challenges is very expensive to repair this kind of motor, the AC type electric fan motor. Okay, and I want to, since the home is already solar, then I want to maximize. You can actually feed this motor directly to the battery. So this motor accepts 12 volts to 28 volts, and the speed is controlled by a potentiometer, a variable which turns like, yeah. So this is already a DC fan from a AC fan. So advantage of the having this is, yeah, I'm gonna save electricity, and when you were already solarized, then you can feed it directly. And if you have extra batteries, 12 volts, it can power it up, and you can still have this plug in, just need an extra adapter. Yep, the advantage of the AC motors is power, silent, brushless, and it less heat. Actually, this motor has less heat, yeah, compared to the this one. In the long run, I would recommend the brushless specifically, not the DC carbon, because with the carbon it might have a wear and tear, carbon brush, so you need to replace that. But this one is different kind of setup. It's a little bit expensive, around 400 pesos for the motor alone, together with the potentiometer, and the power adapter is a separate purchase. So for me, I tried this power adapter. The minimum should have a 1.5 ampere power adapter. If I tried 1 ampere, the fans off, on, off, on. So this also requires a special kind of power adapter. 12 volts to 28 volts would be okay. Direct battery, okay. So this is just, let's try. We can try this electric fan. How silent it is to run the motor. So I don't have a switch, so just plug it in. So this is the potentiometer. So how silent maximum. And it acts as the same as an electric fan. Sorry, I don't have the cover right now, so I'm just recently converted this. That's why I'm looking for the cover now. Off. Yeah, good find. The motor link is on the description. See you around, guys. Hope you find this video informational. See how silent this DC motor? Highly efficient and okay. So just how simple to convert this AC to DC electric fan for power savings.